the Murray River. Cold morning. There's a ferry over here. Where is he? On my bike. Ferrying people pretty much all morning. Ready to pack up, get into town. That was a cold night. That was 5 degrees, I think. Ready for a big day of riding. So old, Brendan.
He's got the world's worst back.
Hey, duck friend. Let's go. Packed up. Good thing I had the bivvy. Quick pack up. Look at these guys. Silly tents. Come on, Brendan.
Where did everything go? It's always hard to get, I can't remember.
Oh, it's a pelican over there. Pelican. Sun's coming up. So this was my solution. The stick solution. Raised up the one heat shield that I had. Got the stick under it. And also strapped the pannier so it kind of holds it up. Otherwise something always touches the exhaust. I do have a giant hole in there, but I don't think my sleeping bag will fit through that hole, so she'll be right. Brendan's just sorry mate. Brendan's just gearing up his Command gear.
Yes! I tell you what,
Gears up
really
well.
bloody good. 1,000 kilometers yesterday. Warm, ventilated, just looks good. Got pockets for everything, and my backpack, like the straps go perfectly between the pockets.
It's nice
Sort
gear,
of
man.
everything, mate.
It's nice gear.
Waterproof pocket for my wallets.
Very nice.
It's good. It's really good gear, man.
Right, some good gear.
More shit. Good stuff. I
You
like
have your own gear now.
I'm really happy.
Revit, best gear. I just got to the hardware store, hardware shop. Just got some duct tape, duct tape on the hole. I think the stick's going to be good. I've got another little strap so I can strap the exhaust to the other side so it's kind of off the exhaust. Patch it up, I think it's going to be good. Some of the worst wind I've ever experienced. Absolutely shocking wind. This'll test out the wind mic. This is so freaking windy. Where's something that can show the wind? It's just so windy. I just used 10 litres, nearly 11 litres to go 170 k's, 177 k's. That's ridiculous. Normally I get nearly 300 out of that. That wind, I was in 5th gear half the time. Couldn't even do 100 k's an hour on the WR. That's on the little 250 struggles, man. When you got a headwind like that, that's insane. Absolutely freezing in the wind here in where are we? One bite, everyone knows the rules. Where are we, Frankie? Peterborough. We're in Peterborough. It's absolutely freezing. It's windy, but luckily I have my switch heated jacket.
About 3 or 4 k's out.
Pump that bad boy. Ventura heated jacket. Perfect for these ice cold freaking rides. Bloody postie Simpson. Postie bikes everywhere. Did you see all the posties when?
Dude, that was nuts.
There was like freaking
Come through the desert with us.
30 of them. They might be doing the Simpson. I don't know where they're going.
Tell you what, it's very tiring riding in
That wind, man.
high wind.
I wouldn't want to be on a postie bike.
You feel it wants to just fold the frontalis.
Yeah. Imagine being in that wind on a postie bike, man. That would be impossible. He came up, he's like, "Are you riding with Tom?" And he's like, "Oh wait, shadower." It didn't care about me.
Oh, what?
I'm like, what?
200,000.
I know, just cares about you, man.
I've been watching all your videos to him, and then he goes, "Yeah, and there's Nerve," and he goes, "Oh, hi, Nerve."
No one cares. Everyone likes Craig, man. Dude, imagine being on a postie bike in that wind.
That would be hot.
Oh my god, you go backwards, man.
40 kilometers
I know.
an hour.
I got 20 horsepower and I couldn't even go. Freaking hell. Smashing a sausage roll. That was another 170 k's of that wind, and then on to Lee Creek. And from Lee Creek, that's the last bit of road. And then we're pretty much off-road from there. Stick update. She is going fantastic. The stick. All right, let's go. Another 156 k's to Lee Creek, and then off-road. Yeah! Do you wish you had a heated jacket?
I wish I didn't have helmet hair.
The 12-volt deluxe heated jacket from Ventura Heat. Plug that shit in.
Yeah. You need the gloves.
So good, man. I want the gloves as well. I want everything. It's so good. Combine that with this Revit Sand 3 adventure gear. It's just perfect.
I'm doing it like Burke and Wills, mate.
Burke and Wills, mate. You know they died.
Just my butt.
They both died exploring, so.
Because I didn't have Kamini.
They didn't have Kamini gear. Let's go! Got a check engine light on the WR. It's number 24. We don't know what that is, so not much I can do about it. Just keep going. Please don't blow up on me, WR.
People think I'm a weirdo.
Brendan killed an emu.
No, I didn't. More than me.
I'm calling Peter.
Someone put it on my bike.
Oh, emu head.
Until Kate.
Alright. Still diagnosing the WR. Let's go to the petrol station, continue. So Brendan overheated his bike, and I was doing the same thing, but my bike didn't overheat, but I got a check engine light, so the check engine light's code's 24. I can't find what 24 means. So I've disconnected the battery, leave it for 5 minutes, that'll clear the code. We'll see if it comes back up again. I did check, sometimes there's a code if the thermofan won't spin. That throws a code, and there's a diagnostics way to check the thermofan. I just did it, and the thermofan's fine, so I don't know. Slightly worried. WR shouldn't fail me though. Alright, found the check engine light. So my check engine light was the O2 sensor. I don't have an O2 sensor, so I don't really care then. Very strange why it came up now. Really don't know, but I've got a long way to go, so first bit of off-roading to get to Eyre. Excited. I'm worried about this chair. I'll lose my Helinox Chair Zero, I'm gonna cry. That's so weird that my O2 sensor light has come on. I mean, I haven't had an O2 sensor for 5 years. I have an FMF programmer, unless that's wigged out. But I mean, I don't care, as long as I have like oil pressure and shit, that's all I care about. I just need the bike to run. Now we're heading to Eyre and then to a hot spring. Let's freaking go, man. Look at this weather. Look at this desert weather, man. We got Bren dogs coming up on the side. Ready to freaking go. I was so scared of that check engine light, man. Like the mighty flying duck bee. Oh, right there, man. Look at that. No wind. Barely need to even touch the throttle. That's amazing. I am on the wrong side of the road, but yeah, back, she'll be right. Ooh, the concreted it. Look how far this goes, man. You might have done all the way to Eyre. See, this is the problem with the old planet Earth, is that like if you're an adventure rider and you don't like riding on roads, the problem is everything's getting freaking paved. I mean, every year there's more and more paved roads. Like this was dirt. The big mama duck, the 1190s punching a hole in the wind with the 690 and the 2 WRs. Just been small inside the wind bubble. The winds are so bad, man. Little 250, can't do 110 k's an hour, so you need the KTM 1190 to punch a big hole in the wind. Birdsville track, just on the right here, that takes you all the way to Birdsville, the end of the Simpson. We'll be coming back down that in a couple of days, hopefully. Shit, we make it. Oh well, time to fuel up, alcohol, get food, because we are freaking camping tonight. Another 150 k's till our campsite. We're trying to get to Lake Eyre, one of the biggest lakes in Australia. That's always completely empty. It is actually full for the first time in 40 years. So I'm not my helmet strap, frick. God damn it. Gonna try and get to this place by sunset. Do dumb shit like forget to do it with your freaking helmet strap. Frick. Goodbye road. We'll see you. I think freaking Birdsville will be the next bit of road, I think. Racing. Trying to get to the freaking Lake Eyre by my sunset, go! I actually can't see anything. Yes, made it. Look at that sunset. Lake Eyre over there. I'm gonna go over there. I don't know why Nerb's coming over here. There doesn't look like there's much water in it, Nerb. It looks freaking empty. Lake Eyre. Meant to be full of water. I don't see any water. Looks pretty empty to me. Beautiful. Bloody beautiful. He just kept riding.
Oh, you missed it.
Hot Springs.
He's keen for the
Kept
hot
riding.
springs.
Yeah.
Oh, you missed it. Was he behind you guys?
Yeah, he's just behind me, yeah.
He loves it. He wants the springs.
Where's all this water?
There's none at this end.
Where's all 14 billion
It's
birds?
at the main lake, not the lake south.
Oh, okay.
This is only 12 metres below, and the main one's 15.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Me and Nerb are going to see how far we can get. Lake Eyre. Let's go. Just bang it through, man. She'll be right. Follow the track. Craig said gets pretty boggy pretty quickly. Let's see if he's correct. Just nothingness. We're bogging. How quickly am I going to bog in? Oh, that's alright. That's alright. We're losing her. Alright, bail! Bail! Alright, let's go back. Freak that. Beautiful sunset wheelie. Into the soft stuff. Let's go, hot springs, yeah! Outback sunsets, man. There's not a cloud in the sky. The sunset just goes on for like half an hour, man. It's so cool. We are 29 kilometers out from Hot Springs. Ooh, you are weird. That attracts a bit it's soft in lots of places. 1 kilometer to go. That sunset is still going. Sunset's been out there for ages. Man, I can't see anything. Oh, I can definitely go some hot springs, that's for sure. That was a big ride today. It was well over 800 kilometers. Some of it off-road, not a whole lot. We thought more of it was going to be off-road. Coward Springs, eh? Bunch of bloody cowards. Bunch of cowards!
Hey, mate.
You can still see. I made a whole night video, remember?
Oh,
yeah. You're in it. Excited to see Hot Springs.
Yes.
850k. I just touched your hand. That's super,
We're just on our way to
super gay. Oh, hello. Sorry. Oh, good. Thanks.
G'day. We're just coming.
Not bad, man.
All right, gents. We're in the hot spring.
These are my freaking. I'll actually wash my body.
Yeah, so, oh, he's gone straight under.
all bathing in the same bath.
Feeling good, mate?
What we're really doing.
Do I look like a new man?
We just got a hotel room. We're all in the bath together. All right. Get on the
Boys,
Hands to yourselves, boys. That's it. All right, underneath the stove. It's probably like 6 degrees out there.
Yeah, nah. I don't even.
Yeah, it's toasty warm in the hot spring.
I don't want to get
Me and Nev are just gonna stay here forever. Freak this shit.
I'll get out when the sun comes up.
Don't get out, man. Don't get out.
The aftermath of a swim. Everyone trying to dry their shit. Underwear everywhere and stuff.
The flying V formation at some point and film it.
Toasted bread. Yeah,
They are Sorgo, mate. Gourmet, these guys.
Gourmet. I've just got a freaking
Ultra
four
gourmet.
cheeses shitty pasta. What are you
dehydrated.
making today, Brendogs?
Exact same as here, dehydrated pasta that's getting hydrated.
Oh, yeah.
None of
that's
this
what I've got.
naan bread business.
Oh, that's fancy shit. All right, this is the gourmet stuff. 4 cheeses in the little titanium pot. Just got some coals out of the fire. Bit of water in it. Just add water. That's all you need to do. Bit of water in there, bit of coals. Let that cook. Put the little lid on it. Cooking show, cooking with Tom. There you go. Don't need all this
Master chef.
fancy cookware, bloody burners, bloody wing wang,
Exact same as you.
stir fry, bloody smeg cookers over here. All I need is a little
Imagine that,
titanium
God,
pot
smeg
and my
cooker.
coals done.
Well,
Remember what I said to not
mate,
leave
they're
your
just drying.
stuff,
They're just drying. They're good.
not
They'll be
leave your
fine.
underwear too close?
Mate, they'll be good. You'll see.
So
Just
Brendan's
getting
tried
nice
the
and
new
warm.
Vindaloo from Indian Star, and
Hot pants, did you, buddy?
guys, quick tutorial on how to fix your check engine light on a WR, and just cover it up. And there you go, problem solved, guys. As you can see, I have another light taped up. WR's going good. Turn her on. No dramas. All good now. Problem solved.